What's up, everybody? It's Goose. It's a Wednesday afternoon. I'm about to load these cedar logs up to take to the Amish to be milled up. I'm gonna, I don't know how it'll work. If he's not busy, he'll probably do it, but I don't know if he's gonna be busy or not. So anyway, I'm gonna load them up this evening. I'm gonna take them to the Amish first thing in the morning. I'm gonna see if he can go ahead and mill them up, and then I can come back and pick them up same day. Just stay in the area so I ain't got to drive back and forth. It's about 45 minutes away, so that's what I'm gonna try. I don't know if it'll work or not, but I'm gonna get this milled up so I can finish this wall in my barn so I can use this catch pin. But anyway, cedar's not heavy, so I think I'm gonna be able to load these, but I could be wrong, so we'll see. Actually, that end is thicker. Oh, no. Don't do that. Perfect. Watch out. Nope. Good boy. I don't let these sit too long. I think the middle's gonna be good. This is the big one. Okay. Get this on top, it ain't making it between my wheel well. Whew. I got a couple smaller ones down the road I gotta load up anyway. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna cut these down a little bit. I'm gonna leave that top one kind of long because the end of it has a little bit of a bend in it, and I'm not sure how that's going to affect how many boards he can cut out of it. So I'm gonna leave it long, and I'm gonna bring my chainsaw tomorrow, and I'm gonna ask him if I should cut that last few feet out. But I'm not sure about it. I've only taken a couple loads up there, so I'll just leave it long and ask him what he thinks, and if I need to cut a little bit off of it, I will. Alright, I'll strap those down and I'll be ready to roll in the morning. I just got back from the sawmill. I took 7 cedar logs up there a week ago. I was going to try to get them done that day, but when I showed up he was working on hay, so he didn't have time to do them. Anyway, I got 71 planks. They're all 8 to 9 foot long. I got them to make them 5/8 thick. There's a few thicker ones. There's some that are 1 inch. He said the last one's cut, his mill will only do 1 inch, so I got some boards in here that are a little thicker. I'll use them for something else, but got all this lumber right here. It only cost me $60, so can't really beat that. And he sold me some hay too. He had extra hay, so he baled some up, and it was good looking stuff and only $5 a bale, so I went ahead and grabbed some of that. So anyway, I'm back with the lumber. I'm about to go back here and get to work on this barn, see if I can get one of these walls done. I'll make a different video about that. I'll see y'all later. Goose out.